Ready for your best skin ever? Introducing the BYOMA Universal Skincare Heroes Kit, your ultimate guide to a healthy, glowing complexion. This 5-piece set is your back-to-the-basics routine, designed to boost, build, and protect your skin barrier with clinically proven results. Experience the magic of BYOMA's Triceramide Complex, scientifically formulated to replenish your skin's essential lipids and minimize moisture loss. Not only does this kit hydrate and rebuild, but it's also dermatologist-approved, vegan, and cruelty-free, making it the ultimate skin-compatible solution for everyone. Forget complicated routines. These building blocks deliver efficacy, turning your skincare into a luxurious, science-backed experience. If you're looking to repair and revitalize your skin barrier for a brighter, more balanced look, this set is an absolute must-have. Discover the difference a healthy skin barrier can make. You can grab this game-changing kit right now via the Amazon link in the description. Don't miss out on achieving your best skin yet.